Howdy everybody, welcome back to Outnumbered BBQ. Today I'm going to show you how to make this super simple, creamy, delicious potato salad. Let me show you how I did it. There's only a few simple ingredients. We'll use some Duke's mayonnaise, some yellow mustard, and some Dijon mustard. And instead of taking time peeling potatoes, we're going to use these frozen French fries. Now this is a 2-pound bag of frozen French fries. And since frozen fries are already partially cooked, this will cut down on the prep time. Now first we'll add a few tablespoons dehydrated onion to a couple quarts of water. Bring this up to a boil, then we'll add our frozen French fries. Since these are already par cooked, they should only need to boil just a couple of minutes and they'll be the perfect texture for this potato salad. And now that they've come up to a boil for a couple of minutes, we'll go ahead and drain this water, put them into a bowl, put them in the fridge for a couple hours. Now these have been chilling in the fridge for a couple hours, let's put this potato salad together. We'll start with some Duke's mayonnaise. We're going to use 1/2 cup. And next we'll add 1/2 cup sour cream. 1 tablespoon regular old yellow mustard, and about a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. And now just give it a mix. And just salt and pepper to taste. And this is the consistency you're looking for, not quite mashed potatoes, but not chunks either. Now just garnish with some smoked paprika and let's give it a taste. Creamy and delicious. That's good potato salad. Well, I hope you give this super simple potato salad recipe a try. If you're enjoying these barbecue side recipes, I'd really appreciate it if you hit that like button down below. Leave me a comment below, let me know what other sides you want to see. Thanks for watching.